Today my name is Holly. So I will discuss Apple for the Malaysian. Okay, founded one one seven sorry 19786, expanded to global teach leaders, hardware and service statement. Okay, so founded and origin Steve Jobs. Everybody know the Steve Jobs. So start in 1976, grew from garage step up to global to teach company. So employee workforce and HQ location Cupertino in California. And the sector we have software, service, consumer electronic. Okay, so this is the hardware division, and the service division we have Apple Store, digital marketing marketplace for application, iCloud, cloud storage and sizing service, Apple Music, streaming platform for audios contents, and Apple TV origin content stream platform. So the in the rich ecosystem, seamless connectivity, user experience, and product integration. Okay, so ethical channels, corporate responsibility. So teaching technology innovative. So international business. Okay, so filter outlet is system growth, negative regulation, retain market leadership, and outdoor customer truth. Okay.
Hi, lecturer. I'm Tasiti, and I will continue to present the ethical issues of the company. The Apple faces four key ethical challenges in its global operation. First, its labor practice in Asian manufacturing raised serious concerns about excessive overtime, production pressure, and the controversial use of student workers through educational internship. This has led to increased scrutiny of worker conditions and rights. Second, privacy and data security present ongoing challenges as Apple balance user privacy with functionality. The company must manage device tracking features, data collection policies, and government requests for information while maintaining its commitment to protecting user privacy. Environmental impact remains problematic due to Apple's strict repair policies and frequent product release. Right to repair activists argue these practices increase electronic waste, while resource-intensive manufacturing processes raise additional sustainability concerns. Lastly, Apple's App Store policies face criticism regarding market competition. Developer fees and tight platform control have led to accusations of monopoly behavior. Despite the companies claim these measures ensure quality and security. These challenges highlight the complex balance Apple must maintain between business success and ethical responsibility in today's corporate market.
Good morning, teacher. I'm Grace, and I'm going to present the effect of the issue of the Apple company. For the first effect is political. Apple's moral dilemmas have far-reaching political implications. Government oversight of market dominance has increased, especially the US and the EU, where authorities are closely analyzing the company's operations. Apple's supply chain management has been greatly impacted by international trade tensions, which have compelled the company to think about diversifying its manufacturing base geographically. Policies pertaining to privacy and data protection have grown more politicized, and Apple must comply with differing regional requirements. Next effect is economic. These moral dilemmas have a variety of effects on the economy. Ethical controversies have been known to affect Apple's stock price, especially when they draw media attention or regulatory scrutiny. Despite making a sizable profit, the company's App Store policies are under pressure to be changed, which could have an impact on future profits. Operational costs are impacted by significant investments in ethical supply chain management and sustainable practices. While market share in delicate areas may vary depending on how the local community responds to ethical issues. Next is social. From a social standpoint, Apple's relationship with different stakeholders are greatly impacted by these ethical concerns. When ethical issues come up, Apple's historically strong assets of consumers' trust and brand loyalty are put to the test. Managing the company's public image as a corporate citizen is crucial, especially as social awareness of labor and environmental issues increases. Public perception of the company's ethical position can have an impact on employee morale and retention, and community relation in operational location need constant attention. Next is technological. Apple's technological innovation is driven by these ethical dilemmas. To address changing security concerns, the business must constantly create new privacy features. Development in recycling and sustainable manufacturing technologies are required due to environmental concerns. Significant technological investment is needed to adapt manufacturing process to ethical standards, and security infrastructure must change to preserve functionality while protecting user data. Next is environmental. Apple's operations have a significant impact on the environment. Global supply chains are impacted by resource consumption patterns, and manufacturing process greatly increase the company carbon footprint. Managing e-waste is a constant challenge, especially as a consumer electronics has shorter lifespan from data centers to manufacturing. Energy usage in operation necessitates sustainable solution and careful management. And the last is legal. Apple's ethical dilemmas have intricate and wide-ranging legal repercussions. Numerous jurisdictions are investigating the company of antitrust violation, and several audits in business practices are the subject of consumer protection lawsuits. As new laws are introduced in various markets, intellectual property disputes persist and the cost of complying with regulation rise. And that's all for my presentation. Thank you, teacher.
Hi, I'm Wing K. So today this one is a group assignment. So for business ethics. So for my part, I will share about for the recommendations. So a recommendation for Apple. So our title is Apple lah. So we got three. So the one is the supply chains ethics, environmental sustainability. So number three is the market practice reform. So the first one will be the supply chain ethics. So we got a key focus. So the supply chains will be the stronger supply marketing. So working production and the transparency. So action time is implement sufficient suspense in expectations. So number two is the expedition annoying feedback system. So you got system lah, this one, and the working condition and the working hours it compresses things so for the Apple supply chains, so the outcome will be the improve the working conditions. So another one is the brand will be reputations and the better workplace certifications. So number two will be the environmental sustainability. So the key focus will be the production life cycle. So repair accessibility, energy transmissions. So for action item, so expand cycling programs. So you got programs, and it will be improve the device repairability. So share replay for resources and accessibility renewable energy abundance. So for the outcome, reduce the environmental impacts. So meets consumer demand for the sustainability. So the strengthens environmental credibility. So for this one is for the environmental, the sustainability lah for this. So another one will be the marketing practice reform lah. So the key focus will be App Store policy. So another one is the relations and the complemented. So for the action item will be the correct translation review for the product. So improve the development for communications and will be the payment system lah. So with the balance security with the accessibility lah. For the outcome will be the better diplomat relationship and reduce the regular pressures and the platform with trust. So another one is the implementations impact. So the investment requirements will be the significant financial commitment. So another one is the planning. So we bring long term for resource allocation. This one, the expert benefits will be the industry leader in the corporate responsibility. So another one, the company will be reputation. So for the long-term goals, and the last one will be the improve for the stakeholder relationship. So beside we got the product line you can see for the picture lah. So another one, the reference will be into two. The first one is the orientations. So this one you got total you got 5 lah. This one actually. So the supplier auditor working feedbacks. So product cycling, renewable energies and export reform. So the strategy will be the cooperative responsibility. So additive magnifications. Another one is the development and transparency, and another one is the compliance. So this one is for recommend for the iPhone product for this.
So this is the hardware division, and the service division we have Apple Store, digital marketing marketplace for application, iCloud, cloud storage and sizing service, Apple Music, streaming platform for audios contents, and Apple TV origin content stream platform. So the InterReach ecosystem seamless connectivity, user experience, and product integration. Okay, so ethical channels corporate responsibility. So teaching technology innovative. So international business. Okay, so filter outlet is system proof negative regulation, retain market leadership, and out all customer truths.